We are here at MWC Barcelona and at the OnePlus launch event. OnePlus has just announced the Watch 2 smartwatch, and along with it, OnePlus has also announced this new good looking smartphone. This is the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact edition, and it's really impressive what OnePlus has done here with this collaboration. It's one of the most popular games, and it's an RPG game. So what we have here is the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. As you can see, it looks gorgeous and it's stunning. And you have all these kind of engraving over here as well that come from the character. And it's not just about the smartphone itself, but also the theme, the user interface, and everything is just violet color, uh, going with the anime character. And you also have new icons, you also have custom ringtones and everything. But there is more. Like if you look at this entire packaging, you get a nice carry case as well. Apart from that, you have a nice looking uh, adapter as well with all the Genshin Impact branding and all. And the data cable is also completely different. So here you have a T-shaped data cable that you can put in like this, so that it does not impact when you're gaming this way. And it supports 100-watt fast charging as well. And uh, with the package, you also get this mobile stand. And one other impressive thing that I figured out was the SIM card ejector tool, which is also having a nice little touch. So yeah, that's something that you get in the box, and it's really impressive what OnePlus has achieved here. So we'll wait for testing this out. So stay tuned.